Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Steven with 137 Adventures. In today's video, we're going to be taking out the stock air filters on the Ram TRX and replacing them with the AFE Pro 5R air filters from K&N Speed Factory. Little fun fact, I did win a photo contest in the Ram TRX Forum Page on Facebook. K&N Speed Factory were the sponsors of that. I was the winner of that. They didn't ask me to do this video. I'm doing it just to give back to you guys to kind of show you, one, how to replace your air filters, and two, what they have to offer. All right, so they did hook us up with a t-shirt. Now let's get to the install.
Take off your TRX engine cover. You can do this install with a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm ratchet with extension. There are 5 screws in the front of the intake and 5 screws located in the back. Lastly, don't forget this little guy that's off on the side.
Let's take a look at these real quick. This is exactly how I pulled them out, and I've taken my truck in water, mud, tons of dirt, off-road. Majority of its life has been more off-road than it has been on-road, but this is what it's looking like. 23,000 miles, and I'm not sure exactly on when you're supposed to replace these, but you can see all the stuff that it's captured. Ooh, caught a couple ladybugs. Is that a fly? Yeah, caught a fly, so it definitely did its job. Probably should have replaced this a long time ago, considering how rough I drive that truck. I just want to clean it for my own peace of mind, but these only go one way. And that is how you replace your stock air filters in your Ram TRX. This was an easy install, only took about 20 minutes to do. I want to say thank you so much to the community at Ram TRX Forum Page on Facebook. I'll put their description down below so you guys can be a part of that community. And also want to say thank you so much for Speed Factory, actually K&N Speed Factory, for sponsoring that photo contest. I'm very humbled that you guys chose me as the winner. You guys also sent me this J&L oil separator. I will be doing that install in the upcoming weeks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace! That's a lot of videos. Before I forget, I have 2 unopened packages of the air filters from Mopar. I want to give these back to you guys. I have no use for these. If you wouldn't mind heading over to 137 Adventures, subscribing on Instagram and YouTube. I'll post a photo with these, and then you guys can comment whatever you want, and then I'll determine the winner and post it on the TRX Forum Page on Facebook and on Instagram. I will see you guys. Thanks. And it smells good too.